jump very weak, I can't seem to get enough. My aunt say my skin too clean to mark it up, and I'm
Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker.
I'm blowing perk, no shirt, windows down, screaming cash room, showing off my tattoos. Hoes spazzing when they see me, run up on me starstruck, asking can they read me, See nothing till them see me. The man got a star, now they try to feed me. I make it look easy, people say I'm crazy. Body marked up like the walls in the 80s. Speaker scream loud like the car full of babies. Chain so sick, think my charm came with rabies. All I hear these days is
I think you're going overboard with it.
I ain't addicted, I'm committed. It's Wizzle Man.
Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body.
I got stars over here, little star over there. Stars everywhere, cause nigga it's star year. The name Star Power, my jewelry is star bright. Tight in my face and I'm living the star life. By the way, you know it's Taylor Gang, so as you see us, I'm inked up from my feet up. I keep blunts flicking, new tats itching, black Chuck copping, new shit dropping. I'm the one they call young, body marked up like a subway in Harlem. Niggas say that's hard, white people think it's awesome. Chest necktie, that whole sleeve on my arm done. They say I look like Tiger Man. I put some lime in the swisher, sweet and twist it all up. Can't wear a shirt, the bitches lift it all up. I'm tatting my body till I filled it all up.
Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, ain't my whole body, I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't my whole body, I don't